Damn, she's slow. What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Hey, I'm just going for a quick ride, bro. Figured I'd bring y'all along with me. We're gonna ride into the sunset, dude. I mean, it is beautiful out. I don't even know what we're gonna talk about, dude. What like what is there to talk about right now? Like I think we're gonna make this pretty much an uncut video, bro. I just want y'all to see what it's really like to ride a bike in Florida. I don't know, what, kind of after peak getting off of work time? I mean, it's almost 7, so. Oh, god damn, bro. Sheesh. My girl gonna be mad when I get home. That pothole just me. Oh, man, dude. No, for real, though, do we keep this an uncut video and just kind of bullshit our way through the whole thing? I mean, it's gonna be quick, so. Yeah, man, first let's talk about the sunset, bro. Look at that sunset. I mean, that sunset is the reason why motorcycles were made in the first place. You can't enjoy that in a cage, bro. Come on. Come on, man. Alright, I lied. We're gonna cut out this shit, you know. Oh, there's a cop. Gotta come to a complete stop. But dude, did I mention the sunset right now, bro? Oh my god, dude. Nah, for real, let's talk about the bike. Let's talk about what I just did to the bike. I wrapped this, dude. And that was no easy feat. Anybody that thinks wrapping is easy, I challenge to wrap this bike. That's crazy work, bro. I have quite a few failures on corners and stuff. My tank, I don't know if you can see that, but I have a few things I need to redo, but my goodness, was this a learning curve. But I am absolutely in love with this color. It's a matte chrome, red, maroon. I don't even know, bro, but it is amazing. You have to see it in person. And believe it or not, this color really, really pops in the darker scenarios, dude. I mean, the contrast in this wrap is insane. My god, is it insane. But it's definitely no professional install. I mean, I made the most visible parts look pretty good, but like I said, it could be better, and I am going to just fix the mess ups. Hey man, we got some plans for the bike coming up really soon too. Matter of fact, I already have the parts to do it. I just need to, bro. I'm gonna lower the bike. We're gonna do, for channel purposes, the 1-inch BT Moto drop first. So that means I'm only dropping the bike 1 inch. More and more people around me are starting to lower 2-inch and stretch. So that might be coming for this bike, because it is pretty hard to keep down if you pin it, right? I don't care if you're doing 60 miles an hour, bro. And this is still a stock tune. But yeah, we're gonna lower it. We're probably gonna tune it after that. And we'll just see how it feels, man. We're gonna play it out. We're gonna see what you guys wanna see on this bike. But I am super excited to take a ride on a stretch bike coming up shortly. And yeah, man, I mean, we might just do a full-on, you know, street racing build on the bike, or we might keep it stock wheelbase but lower it, you know, keep it lowered. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about that too. I've always complained since day one about the height of this bike. I don't think it fits most riders, even taller people, right? Even in the 6-foot range, they even say, hey, it's a little tall. But that's okay, man. That's okay, man. We gotta hurry up, bro. The sun's running away from us. But man, we've had this bike for what? 4 months now? I've done a lot to it in 4 months. I'm not too upset. I would have liked to do a few more things by now, but my biggest thing was headers, bro. I mean, the stock sound on the stock mufflers with the valves, whatever the hell, dude, this thing sounded like a sewing machine, and it was just like, it should be illegal. It should be illegal for a bike like this to sound like that. And man, did it open the bike up, man. Even no tune, right? No tune, still the stock tune, but just being able to let it breathe, man, it was so much more snappy, bro. It felt amazing. So I'm really excited to see how this bike's gonna feel once we get it tuned, which I'm thinking dyno, right? Me and a few boys are talking about trailering the bike out of state to pull every last ounce of horsepower out of our bikes, man, because why not? Why not? If we're gonna spend the money anyway, why not make it a weekend and get it done perfect? So we'll see, but I won't wait forever. So Carita tune might be in the near future too. We'll see. Damn, dude, I think we're losing it. We're losing it. Whatever, we'll whip a Yui here. Oh man, this bike is so comfortable for what kind of bike it is, bro. It's so like, it's hard to explain just like how not uncomfortable it is to ride an S1000. You know what I mean? Like, it's so weird to say that. Sometimes you just want to get on the bike and cruise. And, you know, I've been on 600s, right, where, like, you don't, like, you say it's going to be a chill ride, and then it just ends up not being because sport bike life, you know what I mean? But for real, you hop on the S1000, and you can kind of just chill. And it doesn't, like, force you to want to go fast or be fast. Like, I don't know, it's weird. It's I've never experienced it on a sport bike before, but dude, you can kick back and enjoy, and it doesn't pressure you into wanting to do dumb things, bro. It's the best bike, bro. I mean, it's gonna be really hard when I'm shopping for my next bike and comparing it to this, you know? Oh, goddamn. Almost, brother. Almost. Boy, oh boy, did that sun sink fast. But yeah, I mean, I love this thing. It's really, like I said, it's going to be really hard buying another bike to compete with this. Especially for how I ride, you know? I am not one of those fast boy content creators, 190 through traffic. You know, I really like to show the other side of the sport bike life, right? Because most of the people I ride with, you know, we know there's a time and a place. And don't get me wrong, we'll do 10 over the speed limit in areas we know is safe, right? Yeah, you know, we are pretty familiar with where we ride. And when we do go a few miles an hour above the speed limit, you know, we're typically where there's no intersections, nowhere for somebody to pull out in front of us, clear line of sight, the whole nine, right? Like we kind of all ride safe through traffic, through intersections, things like that. And I just think more people should think that's cool as well. You know what I mean? Like, you don't need to be doing putting yourself in risky situations to get views, bro. Like, my channel has grown substantially, and I don't really do any of that craziness. All right, guys, well, thanks for checking out my video. Like, comment, subscribe, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one.